Here we come to the elevators at 1700 West Loop South. I got a nice person to take me on this elevator. Oh, here it is. Thank you so much, sir. All right, 15. These look like Fujitec elevators or Otis. 1. These elevators are restricted because you need to have a badge. But that nice guy just let me ride. Wow, that was very nice of that gentleman. Scared a cab you? It's a very nice elevator.
These are the elevators at 1700 West Loop South in Houston, Texas. We got some vintage armor from the 1970s. This is a video I took back in 2011, if you still remember that old video I took on my W55. Let's go up to 15, here we go. Here we're at 15. They renovated the whole building, but they still kept this elevator original. HCP051000 recorded this before. Sorry I started the video inside the elevator because my camera didn't start recording. So that's why I restarted the video again, but I'm so glad these are still original. Wanna watch the button go out? Alright, here we're at 1. I just see they replaced the indicators right there. I'll go for one more ride. This was actually my very first armor I rode back in 2011. The elevators I rode at the Plaza Hotel in Las Vegas, those were actually not my very first armor as I thought I said, but this was actually my very first armor I filmed back in 2011. All they did is they replaced the LEDs and they renovated the whole building, but I thought this was going to be modernized, but it did not. Yeah, they replaced the controls and lanterns. I don't know what brand this elevator is. I think either to be Dover or something. Installed in 1975 or 1976, I can't remember. I'm gonna turn my camera off when the door opens. I'm not gonna do the ones at the Marriott right next to this because the elevators were just modded by Kone and HCP0510 already filmed it already. Alright, here we're at 1 and that'll be it.